Hi everyone, welcome to Patty's Polish Corner. I am in a group for Nailtopia. It's called the Maven group, and what that is they are going to send me a new product every month for trial and review. So I'm super excited with that. If you don't know about Nailtopia, Nailtopia is, well, number one, it is only sold at Ulta, which that's kind of cool. I mean, it's readily available. But Nailtopia is plant-based. They're 100% vegan. They're all free. They're non-toxic. So, and it's made with real fruit and vegetables. So that's kind of cool. I'm pretty excited about using that. They have nail lacquers, nail treatments, an acetone-free nail remover that's 99% natural, biosourced, 100% vegan, cruelty-free, made from real fruits and vegetables. So that's really exciting stuff. And oh, they also have some like nail polish duo kits. So the first kit right here that I am trying out, this is the first one that they sent me, and this is a Nail Nourishment Kit. So this is kind of like a trial size sort of thing that you can purchase at Ulta. It is 2 smaller bottles of the Raspberry Nail Nourishment and the Raspberry Cuticle Hydration. That way you can kind of try them out both. It retails for $10, and then if you love it, you can buy the bigger size bottles, and they're sold individually, and they're $10 a piece. So, but this is kind of cool that you get to try too, if you're interested in trying it out first. So let's just talk about this one for a moment. This is one of their 4 treatment kits, and this one is the Nails Are Nourished Kit, and it includes the Raspberry Nail Nourishment, and this is for dry, dehydrated, brittle nails. And it says that 100% of nails are hydrated after 1 week. Oh, that's interesting. And then 100% nails are improved quality over 2 weeks. It also comes with the Raspberry Cuticle Hydration, and that's for dry, dehydrated cuticles. And it says 100% of cuticles are hydrated after 1 week, and 100% of cuticles are improved quality after 2 weeks. Okay, so raspberry provides an alpha linoleic acid and vitamin E to help nails become hydrated, and it promotes regeneration of cells. It looks like it has AHA and PHA, and that helps to absorb the vitamins and strengthen and hardens and conditions the nails. So I'm super excited to try this out. So right now I'm going to apply the nail nourishment to my nails. This applies really nicely. I'm just going to go ahead and finish that up. So the instructions say to apply 2 coats to your nails. So I've done that, and I think, they look great. It's given them a nice smooth finish, and they look really pretty. Now I'm going to apply the Cuticle Hydration. Oh, this does smell like raspberries. A nice raspberry scent. So I'm just going to apply that around my nails and just kind of rub it in. I've rubbed that into all of my cuticles. Now there's just wait 2 weeks and see how my natural nails look after that. This is after 1 week, and I took the nail nourishment off of my nails with my regular nail polish remover, and the nails are like really hydrated. They're not dry at all. Sometimes they look a little bit dry, but these don't at all. I know my cuticles need to be done, but I didn't want to dry them out with cuticle stuff and then say, hey, this stuff works great on your nails, when they don't look good because of the cuticle stuff drying them out. But here's both hands, and they look really good. And of course, the cuticle hydration works awesome. Most cuticle stuff does, but this stuff is really nice. It's a little bit thick when you, I mean, it's like, feels a little bit thick when you put it on, but after a little bit, you don't notice it. So that's pretty cool. And it does have a raspberry scent. However, it does dissipate. Usually I'll paint my nails before I go to bed, and by the morning I don't notice the raspberry scent. So it's only strong like when you first put it on. So anyways, I really like this product. Another thing I wanted to show you is this cute tip. At first I thought, you know, like, what is that? But then I noticed that when I was painting my nails with it, they can kind of hold it. So that actually was very comfortable to use like that. So I really like that aspect of it. So if you're looking for some good nail hydration treatment, I completely recommend this Nailtopia Nourishment product. I really like it. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.